Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, as you can see, is a Kscraft haul. They were kind enough to send me some dies to play around with and create projects with and share them with you guys. So of course, this video is going to be showing you the dies that I have received, and then my next video will be playing around with these guys and showing you guys what they cut and how the projects actually look. So regardless of the fact, I'm gonna have all the dies linked down below, so if you guys want to purchase them now, you can. But let me show you what I got. So one of the first dies that I got is this one. As you can see, it is a cute little doggy, and it goes like this. Actually, those are his little paws, and then you can make like little faces with glasses, the eyes. Super adorable to put on a card or just like a little embellishment. Can't wait to play with this one. I also got this memory decks card here where you can make your card and then you add like a little open window. This is also going to be very interesting and fun to play with. I also got these I got these, which are like doilies. But I think that you can also use like the little cutout hearts like confetti, which is super cool. So you get 3 different little dies right here. And they're all little hearts, you guys. Look how cool. I like that. We got a mermaid die. There's a little mermaid tail right here, the hair, and then the little girl's right here. It's mermaid season. Everyone likes to make mermaid mail during the summertime. I also got this bag topper. How cute is that? And then I got this one, which is one of the bigger dies, and it's actually a suitcase. It says here Royal Airlines. So cute. Can't wait to make this one. I plan to make a lot of these during the weekend because that's when I can actually craft. So stay tuned for that video showing you guys what some of these dies look like. I also got this super cute little spray of little hearts just to add on, like layering. Would be super pretty, like in gold or in silver or like holographic paper. I can see it. I can see it, you guys. And then the last one is this one right here, and these are called angel bows. You can see it has little wings. Super cute. And I can't wait to make some of those as well. But yeah, you guys, this is everything that Kscraft sent to me. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I cannot wait to play and show you guys some super cute projects. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.